Hello and welcome to Waltz Intermediate Lesson 3. Today we will learn double reverse spin, drag hesitation and back lock. And now let's welcome our demonstrators, Andrejs and Kornelija.
Hello, we are excited to show dance steps for you.
And we hope you will enjoy this lesson.
And we start with double reverse spin. Man steps, man starts with left foot forward to side, turn and close without weight. Now let's look at lady steps. Lady starts with right foot, back, close in heel turn to side and cross in front. Now let's look at double reverse spin with teaching count, close hold and body contact. And 1, 2 and 3. And again from opposite direction. Body contact, close hold. And 1, 2 and 3. Now let's look at exercise for heel turn. We go back, close, go to toes and forward. Again, back, close, rise up to toes and go forward. With turn, back, close, toes, step forward. Back, close, toes, step forward. Back, close, toes, step forward. Back, close, toes and step forward. And now man steps, footwork. Man starts with left foot, heel, toe, toe. Toe of left foot, toe, heel, right foot. Again, with left foot, heel, toe, toe, toe of left foot, toe, heel, right foot. Ladies footwork. Lady starts with right foot, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, and toe, heel. Again, from opposite angle, toe, heel, heel, toe, 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 heel. And now let's look at next figure, which is drag hesitation. Man starts with left foot, forward to side and close without weight. A lady steps. A lady starts drag hesitation with right foot, back to side and close without weight. Let's look at drag hesitation with teaching count, body contact and close hold. And 1, 2, 3. And from a different angle. And 1, 2, 3. And now man's footwork. Man starts with left foot, heel, toe, toe, toe both feet and toe, heel, right foot. Again, heel, toe, toe, toe both feet and toe, heel, right foot. Ladies footwork. Lady starts with right foot, toe, heel, toe, toe both feet and toe, heel, left foot. Opposite angle, toe, heel, toe, toe both feet and toe, heel, left foot. And next figure is back lock. Man starts with left foot, back, back, cross in front, back and slightly to side. And now lady steps. Lady starts with right foot, forward outside partner, forward and slightly to side, cross behind, forward and slightly to side. Now let's look at back lock. In body contact, close hold, and we count 1, 2 and 3. Now from opposite angle with teaching count. And 1, 2 and 3. Footwork for man, toe, heel, toe, 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 heel. From opposite angle, toe, heel, toe, 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 heel. Now ladies footwork with right foot, heel, toe, 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 heel. And again, ladies footwork, heel, toe, 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 heel. And now let's put routine together. We start with preparation step, then we dance hesitation change, now double reverse spin, drag hesitation, back lock, and we finish with 4 to 6 of natural turn. And now a routine to the teaching count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3. And now to music. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators, Andrejs and Kornelija. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all new videos and have personal experience with me with Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed today's video and see you in the next dance videos.